Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, and today's vlog I am going to show you the rentals condominium, Cebu condo rentals. So I have 3 rooms or unit that I'm going to show you. First, the first condominium that I'm going to show you, I'm gonna show you the picture also so that you can see how big and you can see what is all the designs. Maybe you would like it or not. So first, this is it. This is the room, the first unit that I am going to show you. The room is, for me, the room is not bad. And the room, there is a small window so that you can see the view outside. This condo is brand new, fully furnished studio unit. So it's located in Mandaue City. And also, if you decide to go to the city or the mall, Cebu City, you can access very easily to the highway. And if you just ride a jeepney or taxi, it's just when you go outside, you can when you go outside, you can just find a taxi right there. It's not very far to find a taxi. And the next picture is still the room, but in a different angle, so you can see better in this picture. And you can see the bed. I think this is a queen or king bed, I'm not sure, but it's big enough for one person, even 2 persons. If you have your wife or husband, still big enough to sleep in it, to sleep on the bed. The next one is the table. There is a round table. It's a small table though. For me, it's small, really small. I like big table in the kitchen, but I think this table is just to, like, if you have a computer or study or drink your coffee, that's the perfect table. And there is a small, I think this is altar. I can for me, because in our house before, when I was growing up, when I was a kid, we have an altar. Because I see the cross. There's a cross there, so that's an altar. And next is the what is that? A sink where you wash your plates. It's small, very small for me. And there's a contact number here in the descriptions if you are interested of this unit, of this room. And more information, you can just call the number or message the Facebook account, and so that if you have any more details, if you want to know more about this condo, you just call the number or message. For me, the bed is fine, but in the kitchen area, for me, it's small. 18,000 pesos a month. For more details, just call this number and message the Facebook account. So let's go to the next condo, next building, next room. So this is located in Cebu Business Park. This is very close to everything, to the business, close to Ayala Mall, shopping mall in Cebu. Ayala Mall in Cebu is the big shopping mall in Cebu City, and I like to go there. If you want to hang out and just relax there are some coffee, there is a Starbucks there, and there's a movie theater, big movie theater there. And this is cheaper than the other one, actually. is 15,000 pesos a month. Dining, the window type, aircon, bed, dining table with chairs, refrigerator, TV, closet, kitchen, cabinet, microwave. I'm gonna show you the pictures of the room. So this is the bedroom, I guess. Yeah, because they don't have a bed sheets. It's just the mattress. And you can see the refrigerator and the kitchen. And the next picture is the different angle, the other side, and there's a TV there. Oh, now the table is not round, it's it's not black, it's the wood, I think. Yeah, that's wood. And there is a refrigerator. It's big enough for one person or two persons. So for me, this room is good for two persons or one person. So next picture is just the kitchen. There is a sink, refrigerator, table, and two chairs. And I see the telephone at the wall. There's a telephone there. And wow, this one is, there is a toilet, the toilet room, and just the toilet. I didn't see the bathroom though. I'm in the shower room. Maybe the next picture. Oh, this one is the pool section. It's a big area outside. There's a lot of buildings there because it's close to Ayala, that's why. The pool is beautiful. I like to swim. It's a big pool. And yeah, if you like to swim, you can swim too. There is a pool here in this condominium. And this picture is if you want to just relax and go out from your room. This is the area that you can relax here. Maka-relax ka dito na area. There's a chairs and you can if you like to read, and if you have a visitors, just sit in this area. You can sit in this area and enjoy talking to your friends, visitors. This is perfect. This is good area too. Look like it's like a living room area for everybody. There's a lot of chairs. Actually this area, I like this area here. Nice. And there is a exercise area. There's more information right here. Common area and amenities. Swimming pool, fitness gym. Oh, that was a fitness gym. Kids playground, and 24-hour security guard and CCTV. Actually, I like this area here. Even the room is not really big. It's not big enough to just walk around. But the outside is beautiful. I love the outside area. So if you just want to relax, you can go out, and you can even go to the mall. So that's all for the number 2 building, the number 2 room studio. And let's go to the third building. So the third is for rent, fully furnished studio unit. So this one is in Lahog. Salinas Drive exit, Lahog, Cebu City, very near Cebu IT Park. So IT Park is a business area. There is a lot of business in that area. There is a lot of call center. This unit is free Netflix. Wow, free Netflix. If you like to watch movie, there is a Netflix there. Free unlimited Wi-Fi, fiber, 25 Mbps. So I'll show you the picture for this unit. Here you go. Oh, I like the color of that the bed that the bed sheets. Is that what? Comforter. Yeah, comforter. Color sky blue. And it's nice room. For me, it's a nice room. And yeah, there is a window and air condition. The next one is, you can see the different angle of the bed. It actually is a small room. Now I can see really good now. And there is a closet. So the next picture is the facing the door going outside. Actually is a nice, it's a clean, looks cleaner to me. Looks clean. You can put your computer in that side right there. The next picture is the kitchen. This is a good kitchen. I mean, I like this compared to the two that we just watched. I like this right here. It's the top, and I think is that a microwave? I think so. Yeah, there is a microwave and refrigerator. So that's a refrigerator, the black color. And this picture is the outside picture. You can see the pool. Is that a pool there? It looks smaller to me. Maybe because you're in the up high, really high. And the building, it's beautiful. I like it. And the next picture is the bathroom. This is good. I like this bathroom. But the other two, I didn't see the bathroom. But I'm sure there is a bathroom there. And if you want more information, just call and message. This bathroom, I like this bathroom. There's a shower there, hot and cold shower, and the toilet, and of course the sink in the bathroom. Beautiful. I love it. So that's all for the pictures, and more information, there is a number there to call. So that's all for today, guys. And if you have any more questions, just if you are interested to visit Cebu, and just contact the numbers that I put in the descriptions below. So thank you so much for watching, and my next video that I'm going to show you is gonna be a same thing. It's either condo or house for sale or for rent, and because there is a lot in Cebu area. So thank you so much, and I just want to say hi to all my subscribers, to all my friends, family in the Philippines, friends here in Florida, and all my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. God bless you and stay safe. Bye for now.